not short on time. You are wasting most of it. 2,000 years ago, Seneca named the thief. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Life is long enough, and enough has been given for the highest achievements, if it were all well invested. But when it is squandered on nothing good, we are forced at last to see that it has passed before we knew it was passing. We are not given a short life. We make it short. Hold every hour in your own hand. Depend less on tomorrow, and begin, at last, to live. Civilithics. Meaning over noise.